Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using the built-in app switcher. This is the single, fastest method. Press and hold Command and the row of app icons appears. That visual context is why it works so reliably. While still holding Command, tap Tab once to move to the next icon, tap repeatedly to cycle. If you want the previous app, include Shift. Once the app you want is highlighted, release Command. That action commits the switch and brings that application to the front immediately. Once you're comfortable opening the app switcher, refine how you pick apps. Hold Command and tap Tab quickly to skim apps. Slow taps let you read app titles. For reverse movement, add Shift to Tab. That takes you backward through the list and prevents overshooting. If icons are close, keep holding Command and tap left or right arrow to nudge selection precisely. This avoids accidental switching. Make sure to release Command only when the one you need is selected, so it appears ready to use. To finish, simply release Command when the desired app is highlighted. The system then brings that app forward with its active window. If the app opens, but not the window you expect, use Command backtick to cycle through that app's windows until you find the right one. If an app fails to respond during switching, press Option Command Escape to open Force Quit. That lets you terminate the hung app and restore normal switching. Keep in mind, consistent use makes this single technique fast and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.